Hola, Mark. Just wanted to show you the garden after a nice little rainstorm. Little horse. Psst. Don't listen. Quail are getting pretty big. See if I get a close-up. I've been harvesting a lot of kale. Mom gave a lot to rabbits and chickens and everything, and used a bunch in the soup, and it's already growing back. Pretty good. Quail are hanging out. I don't know if you can see them. Hey, little buddies. They're pretty cool. Hopefully give some eggs soon. Another source of fertilizer. I harvested some of the Russian kale, just cleaning up the bottom leaves, and I decided to fry it up, and it was actually really good. I want to let them go to seed, so I get plenty of seed. Some of the sugar snap peas, birds chewed them up. It came up really good. There's a few of them looking okay. They got really chewed up. Sowed more turnips into here. These are some of the clover seeds. Eventually I'll get a whole bed full of them. Some more. Oh yeah, the comfrey. Good old comfrey. This is the seed mix you sent, all those beneficials. But here's the comfrey. Leaves yellowing a little bit. I don't know if it's too much water or rain, but it'll bounce back. Let's see the fertilizer. Look at all that. That's all wood chips and chicken manure. All going to the garden. A rabbit. I think the rabbit had bunnies. It's got a little nest in the back. Hey. I don't want to get out. So this is what the garden looks like after a nice rain. Show you a nice sized turnip. Yeah, bam. Oh, can you see any light? There's one. There's actually a lot. Full. This whole thing's full of really good size. There's another one. I don't know if there's enough light. Another huge one right there. Some kale. These are the caterpillars. Starting to chew up some of the kale, but it's alright. There's enough of them. Keep an eye on them. Broccoli got decimated. Slugs first. Oh, what can you do? Letting the weeds, some carrots in there too. Just build up the soil, then I'll prep it up again. There's a sugar snap pea. There's another one. There's a few coming up. Alright, just wanted to show you a different side of the garden. Adios.